So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here of this new angle grinder. It's a new 5-inch angle grinder with variable speed. That's the key for me, the variable speed, because if it doesn't have variable speed, it goes straight from 0 to whatever RPMs the thing rates. A lot of times it's like 10,000 RPM, and I just don't want that. And this comes in a nice box. That's great. The TB602GRD from Screwfix. It's locked together somewhere. Oh yeah, it's a little I always like that. That's nice. Factory seal still in place. And it's just what I was expecting. Feels heavier than mine, other one. Variable speed right here. What happens is the speed rate on my other one, I've had it for a couple of years now, and the shaft is worn out, just wiggling all over the place, so you can't make a straight cut. Diamond blade, put that on there like that. I don't normally use a guard, but since it's there, I'll try and make some use of it. It might save my eyes or something, so I'll be cutting like this. Blade spins this way, shooting the stuff out a lot. So this is the great tool. Soft start, and here's the locker there. That's easier than trying to find the button on the other one. Mine had a button there, so that's comes with at least one metal cutting blade there and a handle. Let's see what happens when we put the handle on there too. Should be either side, not the top. So there it is, the tight 5-inch angle grinder. Now, while I was there, I got a box of wood screws, good assortment, and I bought a set of trowels. I had these before and they were handy, but I lost them. Got small bucket trowels or margin trowels or whatever. Here's the old grinder. See how much play is in there? And there's just the button for. Does anybody need a well-used grinder? You're welcome to it. Okay, so we'll come up here, and this is the job site. So next, if I do any more, I'll show you what I'm going to be grinding, but that's it for now. And I got to keep an eye on the skies today, because there could be a lot of aircraft flying around. They're doing some sort of Battle of Britain stuff today, so it could be a really interesting day. So now it's just, I'm going to try and get these, I got to get this, continue the repair in here on this wall. And over here in this corner where the brick's completely fallen off, I'm going to do that, and a bit more on that side up there. So quite a bit of filling. Here's some places where I'm going to be grinding. Grind this out, grind that out. Okay, well, let's go for it. Ooh. Talk to you later.